What's up guys, Aaron Productions here, and welcome back to Disassembled, the series where I take apart alarms to show you how they work. And thank you to Derpy Fire Alarms for the suggestion of the name. So now, of course, the name is Disassembled. So we're taking apart the Gentex Commander 3. I may take apart the Gentex Commander 1 also in another video. Obviously not after this one because it would be like weird with another Commander after it. I haven't seen a lot of people open these up. I've really only seen people open, well, obviously the Genesis, you could open that up with no effort, and you're supposed to, and the Spectral Advance, which just has clips on the back. This, of course, you take this off of here, take off the base. Of course, you could look at the base, but if we look at here, it looks like it has 4 clips in the corner, and then also a screw down here. So I have my little toolbox here. So we have little screwdrivers. This is really for cell phones, but it could be helpful. Pry bars, stuff like that. X-Acto knife, that I'm probably not going to be using for this. Pliers, measuring tape, I'm not sure why I would need that. And a screwdriver. If we're going to start taking this apart, I guess we need to get rid of that screw, which we could use this screwdriver for. Well, that was fairly simple. Oh wow, is it really going to pop out? Okay, so it's not going to be very easy. We could start to see the horn there. Okay, let's pop out this with a flat head. Due to my microphone being unplugged during this clip, I'm going to have to do a voiceover. While taking it apart, I did accidentally break the clip, but it's not that big of a deal because, one, it's not under any type of warranty because it's way old anyway, and 2, I could just get another cover from a spare one that I have. Even if I don't replace the cover, it's still covered up by this decorative plate, and then there's also the clip and the screw. So if we take a look at the strobe here, we can obviously see that it's horizontal and it's also flat with the device. It's not sticking out like it does on the Advances. I've also noticed that the strobe has like some sort of wire management on it because the wire goes straight through the reflector housing. Now something else that's very interesting is that there's a Gentex logo on this horn, and usually I see like Motorola horns inside alarms, so makes me wonder if they actually made this horn or they just rebranded it. So instead of me trying to explain everything in a video, I decided to take a picture and circle something so that's easier to tell what I'm showing. So over here we have a very small transformer on the way left, 2 electrolytic capacitors on either side, a little but big flash capacitor, induction coil, and some transistors throughout the board. On the front from left to right, you can see our candela slider, which works by taking 2 contacts and shorting 2 legs on the board. Then we have a chip right there for, I'm not sure what it is, maybe for sound. We have our xenon strobe, our huge Gentex branded horn, electrolytic capacitors for everything down in the lower half, transistor, power contacts from the mounting plate, and our dip switches for setting the tones. This is as far as I can go into taking this apart without damaging the unit itself. I tried to take off the horn and the candela slider, but I would probably break it trying. So, if we're going to put this back together, we'll start with the top, even though I broke it, so that will, like, go in there. And now we have it back together, basically unscathed besides the little clip at the top that broke. Before I let you guys go, I wanted to tell you guys about my new channel, so just click on my website, it's the first link, and you guys will see all kinds of DMX lighting and cool stuff on this channel. That's going to be it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching, and peace out.